Welcome. In front of me is a Nubia Tab 3D, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you'll want to open up your file manager like this one. So that's one of them. There's another one just called Files. You can open up either one of those. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using File Manager. And select your SD card. And in here, click on the three dots, which we don't have a format option for some reason, so let's go back. Guess we're gonna go with Files by Google. So let's open up this one. Continue. From here, we're gonna select again our SD card from the bottom. Three dots, Storage Settings, and here you can see Format option. When you click on it, it gives you a quick message. Formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So just be aware of that. Assuming you have already made a backup of it, or maybe you just don't want to, you can select OK. This will begin formatting it, which only takes a couple of seconds and should be right about done. There we go. So we can click on Done, and the card is now formatted and ready to be used once again. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.